Looking for top-notch bookshelf speakers to elevate your audio experience? The Edifier R1280T powered bookshelf speakers are the ultimate choice for crisp, studio-quality sound. Featuring a 13mm silk dome tweeter and a 4-inch full-range driver, these speakers deliver precision audio for music, movies, and gaming. With dual AUX inputs, you can connect multiple devices hassle-free, while the side panel controls let you adjust bass and treble with ease. The elegant wood effect finish adds a classic touch to any room decor. Ready to transform your sound experience? Click the link below to grab yours on Amazon now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more top-tier reviews.